guys, welcome to another video. I'm here at Karatina. Just want to explore this town. I've never explored it. Let me go around and see what it has to offer. So if you're new here guys, consider subscribing, hit the like button. Welcome to DJ Kellen Vlogs. So I'm just driving randomly in Karatina town. It's in Nyeri County, around the mountain, around Mount Kenya. Let's just do a tour of it. Here you have Absa Bank. There is Absa Bank. This town I can see it's also very congested. Like Nyeri is also very congested. But let's do a tour of it and see what it has to offer. You have Choma Village Inn over here. Karatina town. Is congested so much. You have New Fort Isaka over here on this side. Don't know if I'll fit here. The roads are very narrow, very narrow. Yeah, we made it. The town is so congested. Almost like Nyeri. Nyeri is the same. I think I just head straight and then find another entrance. I don't want to be stuck on traffic jam here. Very busy street here. Pay for supper over here. And you can see it. So guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel for vlogs, tours of towns just like this video, and awesome adventure content. We're at Karatina town. Karatina. One of the towns in the Mount Kenya region. Yeah, so I'm just exploring it randomly. I don't know where I'm going. I think I should follow this traffic jam. Let me just go straight downwards. I think this is the main stage for this town. Here's the stage where you get your bus. Hope I'm not going to get lost, because it is very easy to get lost in a new town. Very easy, very easy. Then I'm also looking for a place where I can eat food. streets are also very narrow like Nyeri town. So if you don't know, Nyeri town is a town past Karatina, which is around 30 minutes, 20 minutes to Nyeri. It's also very congested, just like this town. Let's go on our right and see what's on this side. I think you have the garage on this side. Some of you have been asking which car I'm driving. This is the Toyota Wish 1800cc. Yeah, that's the specs of this car. There's a garage on this side. Let's just follow this route as we explore Karatina town. This car is very economical because one, it's great for consumption, and also it has a big luggage center. You can carry up to, with a 7-seater, you can carry up to 7 people in this car. You can see the back of the car. You can also make it a bed if you are going for camping and you want to use it to camp. You can just lay these seats down, the second row, lay them down, and you can do the camping. And also speed wise, it's the fast car according to me. Not like a racing car, but for normal just going fast, it does the work. You can also handle off-road just like it. Because when I'm going for a gig, because I'm also a DJ, I'm able to carry my speakers at the back. Yeah, so it's a good vehicle. Actually, I don't know where I'm going. I'm just driving randomly in this town of Karatina. I think I'm in the market area now because I can see a lot of vendors around this point. People are selling products. Karatina town. You want to join me in any of my tours, road trips, just DM me on Instagram, EJKL244, and you can talk, and if I'm going for a road trip, I can let you know. On this side, you're going to exit the town. I'm not sure, let me just explore and get to know. Or am I lost? Maybe I'm lost. I'll find out. Just mess around and you'll find out. Trust the rule. Mess around and find out. Oh. We go on this side. There is a lorry backing up here. looking now for is an exit road to Nyeri town. Well, that's where I'm headed, Nyeri town. So let me see if I find out. I'll find it. Then if I'm not familiar to Karatina town. Elephant Castle Hotel, the castle. Oh, you have a restaurant here, can you see it? Goal is to exit this town as I head to Nyeri. Let me see if I'm able to do that, or am I lost in this town? House is almost getting, it's almost raining. You can see the black clouds ahead of you. It's an indication it wants to rain. I think I'm lost. I'm lost. Where am I? I think I passed this school. I remember where I'm at now. Good. Let me exit the town. Guys, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. Thank you for the support. If you have watched till this point, I highly appreciate your support. Yeah. So make sure you watch the other videos about my travel and vlogs. Yep. Let's exit Nyeri town. So if you know Vintage Lounge, it's over here. It's a club in Nyeri. Vintage Lounge. So the road you can see ahead of us, this one goes like this. It's for exiting Nyeri. If you are going to Nairobi, you go on this side. So this is where you're going to end our tour of Karatina town. So guys, bye bye, see you on the next video. Let me go to Nyeri.